But we have a saying, in Bengali, and I often quote Bengali, but I will translate that alimur gora zalim. Those who are Bengali will understand that from an alim, you can get someone who's a zalim, oppressor. This is like a proverb, it's just a saying that, even from among the scholars, you can have children which are going to oppress people. Why? Because Islam is something you have to learn. Islam is something you have to teach. Just because you are a scholar, just because you are knowledgeable, does not necessarily mean that the rest of your family will follow you in this. And we have examples of this even from the prophets that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned, like Nuh and so on. So we have to be very careful that what we do, my dear brothers and sisters, is that we are always giving our children Tarbiyyah. Now my children, they could have gone to a local masjid, but I brought them here. Why? Tarbiyyah. They have to understand that this is a teaching that I'm giving them, an understanding, and maybe inspires them to be the imam of the future, inshallah. We have to give Tarbiyyah. So my dear brothers, what we want to do is other times of the year, we send our children to school or our mothers. We left our mothers to deal with them. No, you have some time now. They are in front of you. What you want to do is not just to say to them, learn. The Sahaba, great Sahaba, Ali radiallahu anhu, he said, Adibuhum wa allimuhum. It is not that we just teach them Islam, but we teach them etiquette. Adibuhum, teach them yourself what the etiquette is, wa allimuhum, and make sure that they are learning Islam all the time, subhanAllah. Muslim family, this is the simple recipe for a Muslim family. I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives a tawfiq to understand.